Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Shekhar Mitla, and here I am here to explain you something a interesting lecture for non-coding background students and professionals. Yes, how to learn Python which is having non-coding background students. Yes, it's a super easy nowadays by accessing ChatGPT AI tool. ChatGPT AI tool is an open source. Write what you want and learn and get the answer immediately. Register using Google or Microsoft account for a free account. So my question is here, how to learn Python non-coding background people lecture. So let me initiate how to take a steps to approach ChatGPT and asking a question about Python. Yes, before initiating the session, if you are new to viewing this video lecture, please do subscribe and comment your views. Yes, for the lecture, go to Google and hit ChatGPT keyword and hit enter. Now, here the first link you need to choose. Scroll down, try ChatGPT. If you are already registered and logged in using your credentials, you will be seen in this window. If you are new, it will ask you for enter your username or register for sign up. So here my question I am asking like about to Python, no? See, Python basically you have to learn a few steps like a basics. First you need to start basics. So installation of Python is a one thing. That Python software is absolutely free from Google. You can search it, python.org, you can download and install it. And the next one, PyCharm, you need to install in your computer system for practice. Coding lectures are essential to practice very well to understand the logics and writing the syntax scenarios. And the next one, you need to come here and see, explain Python data types. So variables are there, data types are there, strings are there, like loop statements, for loop, while loop, strings. A keyword you can change, explain Python data types, variables, functions. A step by step you can learn from as a course curriculum. Now let me see, explain Python data types. I am sending to, like I am trying to asking this AI tool. See, Python, there are several built-in data types including numeric types, sequences, mapping and sets, boolean, binary, like a string. So these are the data types are here. It's a suggesting. So learn. If you don't know what is int, float, complex, you just explain, explain int in Python. If you need, you can expand. If you need more examples, you can ask example also. So this way, if you learn coding step by step and see examples also, it's given with the source code. If you want to run this code, you just take a copy of this code and come back to your PyCharm IDE, create a new file, and here Python file, data types. Oh, data types, it's already there in my project. So let me create chart data types. Yes, see, source code which is written here. If we want to run and test, yes, we can test it. And similarly, I'll ask, explain variables in Python. So, variables in Python. If you need, you can ask examples, source code. Yes, it will give you wonderful response. So you don't feel as you are a non-coding background. You just try to explore more and more and write real code in your way. And also similarly, you can practice Python sample example code and practice in your way. How super easy to learn Python in this using ChatGPT. Try today. If you feel this video lecture is useful to you, please do subscribe today, share, like, comment. Thank you.